got a lot on my mind. She got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind. I got a lot on my mind.
Hey man, it's your boy Chris Aaliyah, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle and welcome back to another video. So today's video, we got something else with the car. It's another car mod. If I did not know, I basically have 3 things I want to do to this car. It's, you know, it's a Camry, so like I don't want to add no exhaust. I don't want to make it loud. I don't want to do none of that. I just want to make the car a whole vibe. So whenever I'm driving late at night, road trips, whatever the case may be, anyone I have in my car, as well as myself, we can just enjoy the ride, you know, have fun. All right, so you already know the first thing that I did, I went ahead and I installed the welcome lights. So when you open the door, it basically shows the Toyota logo. So if you haven't checked out that video and you want to know how to do something like that for your car, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description, so go ahead and check that out. On top of that, for the second one I want to do, like, my car is see-through. It's see-through. It's like glass. Like you can see right through it. I really like that. So right now, let's go ahead and get the car tinted. Have some people that I've worked with before. That makes sense. And they're doing a pretty good job. So I ain't finna waste no time. We're finna go head over there. Hopefully, do everything straight and get this rolling. Anyways, let's get it started. And while we're here, let's get a little drip check, you know what I'm saying? I already know it's got the pinky ring, a little Supreme, 2 chains. Y'all already know how the bottom go. My toes look nice. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, it is freaking through. On literally both sides of my car, you can literally see from the other side. But here we have that. I'm finna show y'all some of the work they did. Now look at this. These are military graded right here. This is basically what I'm aiming for. See that? That's a huge difference. And this is that 5% tint. It's legal, so I won't have to worry about getting stopped or anything. These are like 3 cars that they went ahead and did, but we ain't finna waste no more time. Let's go ahead and get inside. Process is being started. I'm going with like 5% in the back, legal tint in the front. Just because, you know, I don't want no problems with no, you know, offices and nothing like that. But they got a cool little spot over here. And if you want to go get your car tinted, I would suggest that you come over here. It's executive tint on Hillcroft or something like that. Anyways, it turns them up down in Houston. They do a pretty good job, but I'm gonna let you guys just look around here. Like, this place is literally like a whole vibe. Whole little vibe. But yeah, I wish I could get like some behind the scenes type things, like them actually doing the work, but unfortunately I can't. I ain't there yet. But it's all good. We finna see the befores and after. I went ahead and I kind of did a little recording. But they do a pretty good job. I worked with them before, like I said. And y'all gonna see, like I'm telling y'all, by the time I finish this mod and the last mod, my whole car will be a whole vibe. Like I promise you that. But anyways, it's been some wasted time. Next thing y'all gonna see is, you know, the finished product. But look, this ride though, I gotta do a take 2 of the drip check, you feel me? Yeah, y'all know it's still the little summer vibes, so you know I gotta stay with it, but bro. What? Some slight. Like I said, I ain't gonna get over how good this place is. It's cool, bro. Like, it's live. It's live, it's a vibe. But yeah. Alright, you guys, so now we got the final product. I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all. I ain't gonna waste no more time. Y'all look at this. Tell me if you can see through that. Bro, let's zoom in. And it's all legal. You dig what I'm saying? All legal, got it all the way around. Over here, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to see. You can't put too much of a tint over here. But, you know what I'm saying? We messing with this, we messing with this. Like I said, they do a really good job of what they do. This is executive tint. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw them on up in the. Y'all see it, y'all know the place, y'all know the vibes. Like I said, I got one last thing I want to do with this car, and it's literally going to complete it, and now it's going to actually make a whole lot of sense when I go ahead and do this last part, because I couldn't do it before because the car was too light. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video and y'all liking the progress on the car, man, go ahead and like up this video and make sure you subscribe, all right? You know what I'm saying? But anyways, it's boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.